Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have a Ga4 property and editor rights. Now start. Open Admin, choose your property, and go to Events, create event. Name the event clearly using lowercase and underscores so reports group properly. Define the trigger condition next. For example, page view with page location contains /signup. Once done, add parameter keys like source and plan so you can segment later. These make analysis meaningful rather than just raw counts. Now you build the rule set that fires the event. You can combine conditions with and / or and use rejects for complex URLs. That reduces false positives. Add parameters to capture context. For instance, button text or checkout value, because parameters power funnels and audiences. Once configured, test in debug view to inspect every parameter and confirm values arrive as expected, which prevents wasted data when you publish. You're ready to publish the event. Hit create and then publish changes so Ga4 starts collecting. Monitor debug view and real-time reports for the next 24-48 hours to ensure consistent hits and parameter values. If you rely on dimensions, register key parameters in custom definitions so reports will show them. If events don't appear, check common issues, blocked by filters, incorrect tag manager triggers, or event name mismatches. Address those and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.